Brooklyn builds it, come on, let's go. Making magic with a glittery glow. Stir it, shake it, sparkle too. Brooklyn shows you what to do. You can dream, invent, and play.
Inventors, it's me, Brooklyn, and welcome back to Brooklyn Builds It. Today is episode 2, and we're lighting things up with magnets. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to make a light turn on with magnetic energy. Today we're lighting things up with magnets. Okay, here's what we need: an LED, wire, magnet, and a tube to build it. We're making something called a simple generator. That's a little device that makes electricity when you move a magnet inside a coil of wire. First, we take the copper wire and wrap it around the tube like this. Repeat 20 times. Tape ends, leave wire ends out. So, how does this work? When we move a magnet through the coil, it creates something called an electric current. Current lights the bulb. Science magic. Let's test it. Take your magnet and move it quickly in and out of the tube, like this. Now, touch the ends of the wire to the LED bulb. You might need to wiggle it a bit, but look, it flashes. The faster you move the magnet, the brighter the light. That's because you're creating more energy. Wow, we have instant electricity. See, it flashes. This is how real generators work, just on a way bigger scale. Power plants use magnets and coils too, just with giant machines instead of cardboard too. So you're basically doing what real engineers do. Now, always ask a grown-up before using any tools or magnets. And never, ever try this with a wall plug or anything dangerous. We only use safe stuff here on Brooklyn Builds It. Got it? Okay now, good. So there you go, we made light using science, magnets, and your brain power. If you like this build, hit that like button like it's glowing. And subscribe for more awesome kid-powered invention. Share with your friends if you want me to build something next time. And remember, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building it with Brooklyn.
Brooklyn's building everywhere. Hands in the paint, glue on your shirt. Making a mess is part of the work. Mix it, mash it, give it a try. You're a maker, let's build it fly. Hands in the paint, glue on your shirt. Making a mess is part of the work. Mix it, mash it, give it a try. You're a maker, let's build and fly. Brooklyn builds it, come on, let's go. Making magic with a glittery glow. Stir it, shake it, sparkle too. Brooklyn shows you what to do. Brooklyn builds it, and so can you. You can dream, invent, and play. Learn cool stuff in a brand new way. Science, fun, and crafty flair. Brooklyn's building everywhere. Hands in the paint, glue on your shirt. Making a mess is part of the work. Mix it, mash it, give it a try. You're a maker, let's build it.